Hey guys, this is Monster Jam Top Dog, and this is the Field Trucks for Silent Series 2083. Here we go. Woody, you're MXD. I'm a Jester, the Choco Drive, you're a Galaxy Zombie. Jackson Davis, you're in Thrasher, and King James TV, and you're a Backdraft. The rest of the trucks you could choose from: Iron Warrior, Stone Crusher, Bagon Dragonoid, Monster Racketeer, Sharkarik, Zombie Fire, Avenger, Barbarian, Wolverine, Overboard, Thunder Wars, US Air Force Afterburner, Dragon's Breath, Excalibur, Team Min, Surf Octonator, Wonder Woman, Blue Thunder, Boogeyman, Tasmanian Devil, Black Panther, Shaker, and Tropical Thunder. That's it. See you guys later. Bye.